Ever had this happen to you? You've just recovered from a cold, your friends and family are fine, but your cough just doesn't leave. Daytime, it's manageable, but at night or during conversation, it suddenly kicks in. You keep clearing your throat, everyone notices it, and it gets annoying. You try every syrup available at the pharmacy, home remedies, and sometimes even antibiotics, but nothing really fixes it. Here's the truth, that cough is trying to tell you something. More often than not, it's a post-viral cough, but sometimes it can be because of dust, allergies, acidity, or it could even be because of a neurogenic condition where your throat is sensitive. So instead of just treating the cough, you need to understand why it's happening. Because once you find the cause, that's when the cough actually stops.